A pre-spray is very important because that helps to loosen up all the dirt particles that have been embedded for who knows how many months. And so not every pre-spray is the same. That's why we carefully evaluate it when we first come in and we look at your carpet, because there may be grease, or it may be just dirt from the outside, or there may be artificial type drinks such as punch or cereals, Captain Crunch, that have those artificial colors. And so we need to mix pre-spray a little differently. So it's basically a custom pre-spray that helps to break up those particles. So not every pre-spray is the same. This whole process is custom to your specific carpet and style of living. You'll even notice sometimes with the proper pre-spray, for heavier areas, such as these here, you give it a few minutes to sit and you'll even notice this dirt start to disappear. That means that we've created the proper mixture for your specific carpet and type of dirt. We do use truck-mounted equipment that is fully self-contained. It is very powerful and is much different in the typical machine that you might rent from the supermarket. It does a much better job, as you will see. And believe it or not, all this high-tech equipment that I use will cost you far less than the typical rental machine that you'll get from the supermarket. The benefits are that you don't have to spend 3-4 hours that it might take you to do your own home, plus the labor, time, whereas we can come in, have a typical job done for you in about an hour and a half or less. For these high traffic areas, such as the areas that come from the kitchen into the living room or the dining areas and the hallways, we concentrate a little bit more to help get that out. Rotovac 360 is also very good at removing dog and cat hair. Those who may have pets roaming around in the family, you may not realize how much they shed and leave their lovely hair behind. But not to worry, when we come through with the Rotovac, it is very good at extracting those fine hairs from the carpet fibers. Because of the 360-degree action that it has, it's able to remove those hairs very easily. All of the products that we use to clean your carpets are very powerful, but are also very safe for your pets. So you don't have to worry about them walking on it and then licking their paws and then getting sick, because it is completely safe for them and the children in your home.